In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Hostinger domain to Shopify, making it straightforward and intuitive for anyone venturing into e-commerce. Whether you're just starting out with your Shopify store or you're simply integrating a newly acquired domain, this guide is for you. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to Shopify's website. From the homepage, simply enter your email. This initiates the process of setting up your Shopify account. Once you've entered your email, you'll be prompted to create a secure password. Make sure this password is something you can remember, but also unique enough to ensure your account's safety. If you want to get started without committing immediately, Shopify offers a free trial. You can go ahead and click skip at this stage if you're aiming for the trial option. This allows you to explore Shopify's functionalities without the initial financial commitment. As you proceed, you'll have the option to either skip the next section or begin creating your website right away. If you're eager to start personalizing your Shopify store, you can begin by exploring various templates and customization options Shopify offers. However, if you prefer to focus on the domain connection first, feel free to skip this step. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings located on the bottom left of the screen. This is your gateway to all backend configurations for your store. From Settings, navigate to the Domains section. Here, you'll find the option to connect your existing domain to Shopify. Click on Connect Existing Domain. Now it's time to switch over to Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger account and locate the domain you want to connect to Shopify. Click on Manage to enter the domain overview page. Here, you'll find your domain name, which you should copy. Returning to Shopify, paste your copied domain into the provided field in the domain section, and then click on Next. This prompts Shopify to start the process of verifying your domain. Continuing with Hostinger, take note of the values Shopify provides you, typically labeled numbers 2 and 3, as these will need to be added to your Hostinger domain records. Back in Hostinger, click on Edit under your domain and then proceed to DNS records. Here, you'll want to add a new record. Use the information from Shopify, specifically the type, name, and the value it updates to. Enter these details accurately and don't forget to save your changes. By following these steps carefully, your Hostinger domain will now be connected to your Shopify store, ready to help drive traffic and sales. This integration allows for a more branded and professional appearance, giving your customers the confidence they need to engage with your business online. Your e-commerce journey is now set to embark on a seamless path to success.